Modeling with SM Kids Fashion before I joined KB5. And
How old were you?
11 years old.
Wow, ang ganda na. 11. Over the hill na yun. I'm just kidding.
I like the part na equal yung amount na stuff for boys and for the girls.
Right, because usually, diba, parang
Parang
kulang
sobra sa boys.
Yeah, right.
Tapos, I have lots of SM Kids fashion stuff at home. And I use them every time when I go out or go to rehearsals.
Right. Andrea?
Nagsimula din po kasi ako nung bata po ako, mga 6 or 7 po. Nagmamodel po ako, yung mga Chiquita Days ko po. Nagmamodel po ako, tapos yun din po nagsimula. And yung mga nasusunod din po sa mga shows ko, galing din po sa FM. So, every time po nakukuha ko ng mga dresses ko sa kanila, excited po ako dahil lagi po sila may mga bagong styles.
Right. What about Grace?
Ako po, very happy po na nakasama po kami sa SM Kids Fashion. Nakawork po namin sila. Like sa photoshoot po na, naglalaro lang po kami doon.
Right.
Each other.
Parang hindi work now.
Oh.
It's just like hanging around with your friends, right? So what particular pieces from the SM Kids Fashion Denim Collection would you use the most? And then tell us why. Let's start with John.
Para po sa akin, ang pinaka-ginagamit po namin, hindi lang po namin, ako din po, pinaka-ginagamit ko po yung pants po talaga nila. Kasi yun, tulad nga po na sinabi ko, comfy po siya, tapos ang sarap din po niya gamitin. Yun, tapos marami din po siyang kulay, parang pasok sa mga sinusunod.
Whatever you feel like, kung dark denim, yun ang piliin mo for the day. And then kung medyo light, okay lang din. Alright, what about John? Andrea.
Yung mga denim dresses po ulit nila, dahil super ganda po ng mga denim dresses nila, tsaka ang dami po nagagawa, tulad po nung ginawa ko, dinagdagan po ng mga ganito, mga accessories, mga leggings, kaya gusto ko din po yung mga denim.
Can you stand up and show us the, It's so cute. It's so fun, right? Alright, what about Ray?
The SM Kids Fashion has a big selection, so you can basically find whatever you're looking for. Like, every time when I'm looking there, in the SM Kids Fashion department store, I find everything I'm looking for, so basically it's so easy. It makes it so easy, and yeah, it's basically so easy.
Because it's all there na right? You don't have to go very far.
Yeah, cause like other stores, like you have to go like pick everything and look at everything just to find one thing for you, you know.
Parang gusto mag-DJ nitong batang to. You have the voice, ha?
Ano po kasi na si Justin Bieber?
Nako, kaya pala may asta siya, diba? You know, I heard you guys talking about Justin Bieber earlier. And of course, you were saying earlier, anong gagawin mo pag bigla ka niyang pinalo? Nakita na yung picture mo in this getup. Tapos sabi niya, this girl is so cute. Nako! Yeah, it's okay. It's just because I heard you guys talking. But anyway, thank you very much, guys. Andrea, Grace, Ray, John, and Joaquin. I'm glad to know that you enjoy being a part of the SM Kids Fashion Denim campaign. Of course, all the kids out there, the youngsters, will certainly be delighted to look at you and what you're wearing and to discover the latest trends from the Kids Fashion Authority. Now, this season, denim is where it's at, and young ones can get all that and more only from SM Kids Fashion. All right, that concludes our program for this afternoon.